Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create radio buttons in our web page. Okay. Radio buttons are look like small circles which are filled or highlighted when selected. Okay. For example, suppose your phone needs to ask the user select your gender. You might create two radio buttons, that is male or female. Okay. Here male or female are two labels, so you have to insert that labels. Okay, then we have to create radio buttons for that label, so we can use input tag label. Because input type equal to radio, that creates a radio button. Okay, and name attribute is the group name, and we have to give all radio buttons the same name, means male or female. Okay, and the value attribute set the answer associated with each radio button sent to the server. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see we have two radio buttons and only one radio button can be selected at the same time. Okay, now what will happen when we put a different name? Let's see, save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see we are selected both of these. That's why all the radio buttons the same name. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.